Welcome to the OSF STEAM channel. My name is Luke, and today we're taking a look at one of our most detailed anatomy kits yet. Home is where the heart is, and all the other organs too. Inside this box, you'll discover everything you need to explore the anatomy of several real sheep organs. We're going to unbox this kit, take a look at all of the materials included, and show you what makes this hands-on STEAM experience so unique. Getting the box open, you are immediately greeted with the instruction guide. This walks students step by step through the activity. It also explains the anatomy and function of each organ, how the different body systems work together, and how these structures compare to other organs found in the human body. Inside, you'll also find an information packet that includes access to a pre-recorded dissection demonstration. This can be especially helpful for anyone who wants an easy, step-by-step guide to follow along with during the activity. Inside this bag is all of the sheep organs you'll be exploring. First up is the heart, followed by this big kind of gray color. This is the lungs. And that is what takes up the majority of this bag. Down here is the kidney. And right next to it is a cross-section of the femur. Flipping around to the other side of the bag, we have the brain. And then next to the brain is a sheep eyeball. Each specimen has a unique structure and function that helps demonstrate how the body's organ systems work together. Now, something to keep in mind, these preserved specimens do tend to have a pretty strong smell, so it's recommended to perform this experiment on a table outside or in a well-ventilated room if possible. Now, safety is always the most important thing in any lab setting, and this kit includes materials to help keep the activity clean and safe while students work. Inside this bag, you will find a black trash bag. This acts as a table covering to help contain any mess that's created during the dissection, and when you're finished, it can be used to dispose all of the materials easily. Next, you will want your foam pad. This is where you'll place the organs while you dissect. Inside, there's also a pair of rubber gloves included to help keep your hands clean. These are very important as the preservative solution the specimens are stored in can cause skin irritation if it comes into direct contact with your skin. If you do come into direct contact with the solution, be sure to wash your hands thoroughly with soap and water. There's also a plastic apron to help protect your clothes. And last for safety gear, we have protective glasses. Anytime that you're working with sharp instruments or chemicals like we will be doing today, safety glasses are required. Now that we're prepared to complete this experiment safely, let's take a look at all of the dissection tools. First thing you'll notice is that there are 6 pins stuck in the side of this foam pad. These will be used to secure the organs in place while you're examining and dissecting them. These pins are very sharp, so make sure to keep them stored safely in the foam pad when you're not using them, and always be aware of where your sharps are. Next, we have a pair of scissors. These will be the main tool used during the dissection. While they aren't extremely sharp, it is still important to handle them very carefully. Next, we have a wooden probe. As the name suggests, this is used to gently explore different structures inside the organ without damaging them. We also have a pair of plastic forceps to help grasp tissue that may be difficult to reach. There's also a ruler included if you want to measure your specimen. And last but not least, there's a pen in case if you want to take notes. And now that you have everything laid out, you should be ready to begin your dissection. And that's a look inside the OSF STEAM Home is where the heart is, and all the other organs too, kit. If you'd like to explore more hands-on STEAM experiences, be sure to check out the other kits available through OSF STEAM. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and let us know which kit you'd like us to unbox next. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next experiment.